Here's our honest review for the Craft Bud sewing machine for 7 and up. Comes with 50 pieces of fabric and lots of stuff. Here's my granddaughter learning to sew on it. All this great stuff comes with a Craft Bud sewing machine. And you can see, here's the list of what's included. And 7 plus. Well, that's my granddaughter sewing on it. She's going to turn 7 in a few days. This is a 122 piece set. And they're not kidding. It comes with all this extra stuff. And here's the little zippered sewing kit that it comes with. Hope this helps.